Okay, we're here with Andrea Brundage from Simple Organized Solutions. Thanks for being here and helping us today. Sometimes getting organized, I mean, it's an emotional commitment because it can be very overwhelming with all the stuff everywhere. How do people conquer that?
You know, part of it is just acknowledging that sometimes we might need to get some help, but also chunking down really big projects into smaller, manageable tasks. That will help us feel more in control right off the bat.
And when you talk about getting started, how does a person, obviously we'd like to do the whole house in a weekend. I mean, where should we start? How do we start?
You know, we have to set priorities on that. One of the priorities that I think is important is at your entryway, so that this sense of calm actually starts when you walk over the threshold of your home. So whatever entrance you come into, let's start there and start creating an impact that follows you throughout the house.
Okay, and you are known for turning chaos into calm.
I do that. I do that.
Would you say there are certain time limits we should give ourselves, or can you look at a room and say this will take this much time?
Not particularly. There's a roundabout, estimate kind of thing, but some people are real quick with making decisions, and other people it takes a really long time to get through some of you might end up with some emotional things, and that will always take longer than, say, junk mail.
Okay, any ideas for kids or, family things? Sometimes those are the items that you get emotionally connected to.
Yeah, so if we're talking paperwork and artwork and things like that, my favorite solution for that is to actually scan them and put them on a digital frame. And I think it's a great idea for each of the kids to have their own. So they have like this rotating display of their best work, and friends come over and they want to show it off, and it's really pretty cool.
Yeah, I love that idea.
Yeah, and then you can get rid of the original.
When we talk about being connected to things emotionally, is there a way for someone to get over that hump and purge?
It depends on what the items are, and everyone's got a different tolerance level of things in their space. If there's a heavy emotional attachment, I do not encourage getting rid of it until we're ready.
So how do we know when we need to wave the white flag, as they say, the SOS flag, and call a professional?
So if you have tried to get organized on your own and you continue starting the process and not getting through it, that's not successful. So we want successful organizing. That's when you call an organizer. We come in and we actually do assessments. We create an action plan around your family and how you flow through your family space. So we actually guide the whole process, so it makes it easier for you.
Andrea, thank you so much, and you'll be back with some more tips for us?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.